Udah sebulan lebih gua nggak upload video Lombok. Oke, gua rasa sekarang adalah waktu yang tepat. Pertama, skrip belum beres. Gua harus susun kalimat per kalimat itu sekarang. Setelah skrip beres, gua harus mixing background musik buat scene ini. Ini nih yang lo tonton sekarang. Habis itu gua bikin guideline untuk cutting videonya, masukin videonya, cut videonya, grading videonya. Ya, cukup melelahkan emang. Tapi mau gimana lagi? Gua harus beresin video ini sekarang juga. And this is it, my lovely travel video in this year with amazing stories and places that I've been dreaming for a long time. So while I was waiting for the flight to Lombok, I read this amazing book which given from my friend Ryan. He told me to read this Crushing It because it has powerful information to inspire the entrepreneurs like me. So the narration of this video is based on Gary's book Crushing It. Firstly, this book is very amazing, such as these beautiful landscapes of Lombok. Basically, Gary wants to teach entrepreneurs how to monetize their passion by using social media to build a strong personal brand to attract customers and advertisers. But now, many entrepreneurs do some mistakes before they even get started. It is because they are putting their energies into the wrong things. They care but not enough about what really matters. There are 7 essentials to build a strong personal brand: intent, authenticity, passions, patience, speed, worth, and attention. And you have to know that when you first start out, there is no time for leisure. Such as when I was traveling to Lombok. As a filmmaker, I visited not only for leisure, but also had to deliver the story of the destination. The story that might not be known to many people. I just knew that Sasak people has kidnapped tradition before their marriage. Most of them only marry with someone who born in their family circle. The people who live in Sadi village obviously lack of technology. It is not prohibited, but they better not often to use it. To keep the original culture of Sasak's tribe will be accessed forever. The others went abroad, seeking better education and employment on the other islands. These stories are a uniqueness for visitors who will come to Lombok, looking for something new to learn and feel the different situations from your faraway home. It's such a pleasure was being here. There's nothing to do, just enjoy everything. And it was inspiring me a lot that no matter how you live, you have to keep trying to grow up, to reach your dreams, to preserve what you have. The way to the top level is pain, I know. Like Gary said, if you want to crush it, it takes a lot of stamina to get your personal brand and business off the ground. The question is just for yourself. You are the only reason why you're not crushing it yet.